creating a constructor, public function construct instead of making it that cone should also be available here, na? This one, right? This cone should also available here, and making it this public, this should be private, right? Private or public or protected, and this should be protected. Why I am making it private? Any guess why I am making it private? Guys, any response? You all are there or not? Because I just need here now. In constructor I need this one information. Nowhere. I only need this cone. Where? Where I need this one?
Only inside the constructor of that class.
Inside this, and protected means this connection will be also available where?
In its extended class.
Extended class, right? So once this cone is there and this is protected, so may I call like this? Something how, or here I am writing extends which db. So what I will to do this one? What I will to do? Should I include this one or not? Not needed, na? And what I have to include here? What I have to include? db.php, na? Right? And how I can call,
Yes, sir.
how I can call the parent constructor? Can we call like this? Right? Will this work or not work? Because this connection will be needed in many files, no? Maybe many classes needed in a bigger application. Why should every time I make the connection? I have to only extend this one, the parent class which is creating the connection, and that cone will be available, na? Here this cone will be available.
Yes.
So it's now looking some better, na, from earlier one. Now let us
Yes.
see if this is working or not working. Let us try. So here return, I am returning something. Save guest. Return added successfully. So instead of return this return success. I'm just returning return success, right? And where I'm returning, where on the section here I'm getting na. So can you do like this? If result equal to success, I'm creating another PHP file success.php, and here I'm writing little HTML and writing something h1 guest saved successfully, right? Anchor tag href equal to guest registration dot php, add new guest, right? And what I can do here, what I can do, include I think it will work or not work. Echo, what was that? Success.php na? Success how we can add, include success.php. I'm not sure this will show the message or not, so let us try again. test2 test@gmail.com. Wow, you see what happened? Wow guys, not a single error. Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening here? Not a single error. I'm amazing. Today I'm how wonderful. You see how we have optimized that this one? How I use the extend, use the base class. Now wherever I have to do database operation, I have to just extend this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose that you have to have your time. So guys, can we keep connected for next 20 minutes? Or we should continue for tomorrow? I'm just giving you some direction how tomorrow assignments will be. So basically in tomorrow assignment you have to not exactly do the database operation, right? At least functions should be created.
But sir, can you just please provide us this code for our better reference?
I'll give you. So I'm not looking for tomorrow assignment. At least you should post data here, right? tomorrow there will be a form, right? You have to create a form. When you put some information, I'm not telling you the exact name of the project. Create a form, post data, get here, then create a class where you can save data. So pass the value like this, pass the value, and at least print here. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Now in today one, suppose that I have to display the all the guests which you have added, right? This is multiple insert. This is prepared. I will tell you about tomorrow. Select data, right? What you have to do? Select data, right? So what is the function you need to write? Public function list guest, right, guys?
Yes.
And what we need to do here? See here. What is the way of getting all the data? How you,
Insert.
what is the query to get the data? Select asterisk
Start from
from, what is the
From
table
table.
name? My guests. This is the table name, my guest. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So once you run the query and you have got, so you probably you get the result in a result set, right? Now the working is little different here. Whenever you are selecting, you are getting result now.
Yes, sir.
So result equal to this, right? This con query, run this query, you will get some result records from that table. And once record you got, what you will get? You will check, or you can just if dollar result num, these are some function you should look into, and number of rows greater than 0, right? Return what? This result, else return false. I am removing all the code, right? Suppose I am looking list of my guests, I should do this one, na? This is the query, I will execute, whatever the result will come, it will store in the what? Result. If result and there is a method of this result, num rows greater than 0 result, return result, else return false. So if I am calling this from action, and I'm taking this action from, suppose that another file, list guests.php, right? List guests.php, and here what I'm doing, previously in actions I was creating I was including this one now. I'll include this class and create an object. How you can create object? Like this, right? And what method I have to call? What method? What method I have created? List guest.
Yes.
Dollar G guests equal to this. We'll get the list now. Now, if you go to the bootstrap, listing of records, so suppose that I am using this one, right? Then I have all guessed here now, right guys? So how I can use this one? Like this, while what? Dollar row equal to dollar result, and there is a, for the result there is a function fetch associative array, right? Fetch assoc, right? Then I will echo dollar row first name suppose for now time being I'm just printing this, and this is list guest. So what I'll do, where you are adding the there is a guest registration now, I am putting here a link or suppose I am putting here somewhere here. Section is here href equal to what should be a list guests dot php view guest list, right? So let us see what is happening. You see, I can see a link here.
Yes.
So I could put this here also, so it will look better. Defined variable result. Why I went to list guest dot php and what is the problem, guys? Help me. Undefined variable. Oh, this is a guest now. I'm using result and here is I'm getting. Okay. 18 result guest so undefined variable result, I'm calling list guest. So basically registration and then why this function list is not coming? What is the exact name of the function? Registration public function this one, then we are calling this guys. Where is the problem? List guests undefined variable dollar result fetch. Okay, fetch soc. I think there is a spelling error. Fetch result fetch soc. Result then fetch fetch underscore soc ASSOC while row fetch soc. This is blank basically, that's why it's giving the problem. So we'll have to check this is working or not working. We can create the registration class here, na? Guest. There is no problem in this. Now if you go to registration, this is the registration list guest we are calling. Select a string from my guest. Result equal to SQL query. Then result will get num greater than equal to return result else return false. So print or dollar result die. Oh, what is wrong? What is happening? What is the issue? Guys, what was the issue? You see? What is the issue? Anybody? No? Guys, you all are there or not?
Yes, sir. We
What?
are here.
Yes, sir.
PHP tag was missing.
Yes.
PHP tag was missing. So you see, I am getting the result. How I can format this?
Using pre.
Yes. Let us see how you can format this. TR, TD, raw, first name. Probably this will not work. So dot TD close. Sorry. Then again start TD. Then what is the next value? What is the next value? We have first name,
Last name.
and
Email.
email. So and close the TR. Now let us see. So are able to see the list, but our bootstrap is not working. Why? Why bootstrap is not working?
We have not added bootstrap on that page.
Yes. Guest registration. So we need to add bootstrap on this page also.
Yes, sir.
I've added the CSS. Now again, what is the other file which I need to add?
JavaScript file.
JavaScript file, right? So now let us see one magic. See the magic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's see, make it little better. TR heading we can add na, TH,
Yes, sir.
TH. Here is, what is here? First name,
First name.
then
Last name.
last name, then
Email.
email. Great, you guys are awesome. And if you give some padding, a margin, style equal to margin 50 pixel I am giving, and on the top of that I am writing, what I am writing, h1, or just let me copy that one, this one. Guest lists, right? Now see, better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes, sir.
here I can add another link. A href equal to guest registration dot php a add new guest. So if I refresh this, I can go here,
Yes, sir.
I can view the list.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So previously you are going to check in the database, right? Now here if I add whose name should I add now? Tell me whose name? Aditya. Let me add Aditya. Aditya M.
Yes, sir.
Aditya at gmail.com, right? I am submitting.
Yes, sir.
So here I am again coming. Here, can you see this? Wow, one application is created. Awesome, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
also,
sir.
also I can put something. Now your guys, it depends on you how much you can create it better and better. You can also delete a record. How you can delete a record?
Using delete command.
Using delete command or delete query.
Yes. Yeah, delete query.
So basically, when you will be this form, like you want to delete a record, so here you should have to put this a link like something, delete this record.
Yes, sir.
When you click
So
that,
we-
it will go to the action.php and probably you have to put some get method there, right? Here, this was my list, right? Here I am putting another thing, th action, right? And here I am putting td delete, and that should be a for the now, suppose that you are just putting href equal to action.php. This will be like anchor tag, right? And here we are passing id equal to, what will pass here? Right now we are not displaying id, but let me display id also here. id, right? So here this is the id, right? If you see this page, there is a delete link.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Why this is action is not coming like this? Oh, I've introduced new field now. Which new field I've added? Serial number something I did now. Now coming good?
Yes, sir.
Now if you see, if I mouse over, can you see the link? What is the link generated in the bottom? What
Yes,
is
sir. It's connect to the
Action.php. sir.
and what is there after that?
sir,
ID.
changing ID number.
ID number. So right now I'm directly trying to just clicking. So that is not allowing. This is just allowing which one? Post method, na? This form is only allowing post method, na? Action 1.
Yes, sir.
Here you see the action. What I'm checking? Post. But this is ID is how I can access this ID through post or get in this action.php.
So through get.
Through get.
Yes.
So if I have to work both with action, get and post, what should I use here? Request, right? Right, guys? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So here you can check, suppose that is guest registration and I'm internally passing a hidden variable. Input type equal to hidden name equal to registration value equal to registration, and in the action if I check if is set suppose I'm giving name action, is set action and action equal to what? Registration, right? Then do this, right? Then what you should do? Do this complete work, right, guys? You are doing now registration. It's your choice. Put a request. Now here I'm typing else if here I am appending the ID here in the list now, and here also I am typing action.php ID equal to this and ampersand action equal to delete, right? You got what I'm doing here? I'm sending one more variable internally that I'm doing registration here on that form. Then do this. Else, if request is action and action equal to delete, from where I'm getting this one? From where, guys? Now see this URL. What is there? What is there?
Action delete.
So I'm passing action delete also. So now here I can create an object, and before that I'll check if request ID not equal to blank, then I will create an object, and this registration should have a delete method na. Delete guest, and what will be the query here? Delete from what? My guest, where ID equal to what? I'll pass the ID na. From this action.id, I'll pass this ID. Delete guest. Once this ID will be received here, $ID will receive. I can use this ID here. Then query will be executed. Return true, else false. So here I have called result. If $result equal record successfully deleted, else echo some error, right guys? And I can also redirect on the same page, refresh, like location, what is the page name? List guests.php. Now let us try. You see what is happening?
Yes, sir.
It's very terrible.
Right now I'm not handling any error here, so I can handle this error. How can handle? This is the list now, right?
Yes.
So I can write here if dollar result do this, else echo no guests found. I have to put a tr, then td, call span. How many call span I have to do here? Anybody? How many columns are there? 1,
So
2,
five.
3, 4, 5. The call span 5.
5.
TD TR. Now it looks good.
Yes, sir.
So Ashutosh test. Sorry guys, I'm not remembering your surname. Ashutosh@gmail.com. Coming here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that serial number.
Sorry?
Serial number starting from 11.
Serial number, sir.
Yes, this is the important thing which I wanted to tell you. When a field is auto increment, it will, if you delete one record also na, it will keep track of the what was the last record was inserted. Got my point? 10th was the last record. Clear guys?
Yes.
So now even I have deleted, MySQL is keeping track that what was the last auto increment field was. The solution of this is either you have to truncate this table. If you truncate this table now, truncate, what is the table name? My guest. So it will reset. If I run this, it will reset, right? Now if you see, nothing is coming. Now I'm going to add Priyanshu. Test Priyanshu@gmail.com. What is happening?
Yes, sir. New starting from 1.
Yeah, when you truncate, it will reset the auto increment field also to the 0.
0.
And when we insert a new record, it will now start from 1. So guys, how was this?
Fantastic, sir.
Actual implementation we did not today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only thing is missing here is the implementation of session. That this is my something form, and this should be password protected. This form should only be accessible when I will log in. Either anybody can, I have created some application, something like this. Anybody can come, add, view, and what you can do? Delete.
The data.
So what is the
Yes,
way that you can only delete?
by adding session.
Admin, only admin access.
So you will put a login form that you can only access, and till the session is valid you will be able to do and log out. Nobody can see. Then there will become a login page. So tomorrow assignment you will have something like task management. I'm just declaring you. There will be something like task management. Similarly, you create the form, add, post the data, create some one class task management, add, edit, delete, and try to create all the method, at least print those values whatever submitting. Got my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is something amazing thing we did today. Actual application we did. This we can put inside table. If you put inside table, what will happen? Okay, actually DV not works under the table, so we may have to put all under a div, and then give a style, right? And this now looks better. Looks good. This formatting little, I'm not sure how many, 1 2 3 4 5, it's little shrinked, so we'll have to check how this is pre-filled till now here, right? So guys, something we did or something more useful today seen, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I'm sending this code to you all guys. Probably I'm telling to the backend team, so she will share with all and it will review. So in tomorrow test, make sure at least you can create a form like this: task management, add form, task add. What is the task? Like title, name of the task, something department, date, something like there. Submit, and once you submit, we'll submit on some action page and create a class like a task management class, and you call the methods for the what? Save task, delete task, edit, and at least print the value. No database connection is needed, right?
Okay, sir.
But you have to little whatever, nothing I'm asking advance. Today was in this session was related to the database with MySQL, that's why I demonstrating you. So we have to practice this one, guys.
Yes, sir. It will be very helpful if we get the code by today only.
Yes, I'm making
Yes,
sure
yes.
that you get today, right?
Thank you, sir.